What up, YouTube? CM. I'm out here right now. About to ready start taking out my headliner. Finna get the craziest interior. Finna go crazy on my interior. And I still got my red seats. So let me know. I should put my red seats back in here. I really need to go look at them because they might be really dirty, to be honest. And these is clean, like the Suede real active on here. I don't know, but I'm gonna get to keep taking apart this headliner. I already got these parts out, you know what I'm saying? You know, OG, see him watchers, full throttle Chris watchers, you know what I'm saying? You know about the baggy method. Ain't even nothing special, but you know what I'm saying? We right here. Finna go ahead, keep on working right now. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done. What up, y'all? What's up? Got the headliner down, took all the wires off, pretty much. Yeah, it looks like I'm good, so I'm about to get ready to take it out, take that stuff from my trunk first. Rearrange these seats, but we good, we in there. So I'm ready to take this out. Then I'm gonna get to y'all. I'm gonna set it out there. I don't even know what I'm gonna do next. I need to go get pins. I need to go get adhesive, 3M adhesive. I'm gonna be doing Suede on my headliner. I ain't want to spoil it, but you know what I'm saying? Doing Suede on my headliner. And so I'm gonna get to y'all whenever I just get back to picking up the camera, I guess, whatever I do next. But I'm gonna get this headliner out the car. So y'all, as you see, you probably look sweaty, but finally, I'm acting like it took a long time. We got the headliner out. Seeing, got over here on the floor. I didn't even care. Cause low key, it kind of gave me a struggle. I might got this on crease. Let me pick my shoes up. I'm like, nah, it's not really looking a little bit over here, but it ain't looking too. I don't even care. I'm finna just leave it on the floor again, just like last time. You know what I'm saying? We got the headliner out, y'all. So I'm finna go ahead, go ahead and go get my tacks and my headliner. Go ahead and go get my tacks and my headliner adhesive. So I'm gonna catch y'all, I guess, whenever I'm back working on the headliner. Woo. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The speech for the sunroof, bro. Woo. Hardest part to get off that car. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Got everything that we need. And now I'm finna go get my other stuff. I forgot I had to take out that part. Because I didn't do that last time I did my stars. But here we go in here. It looks so barren here now. And this thing always down. I wonder if I should. I can't use my sunroof controls. This is finna be vented. I think it's supposed to rain. I can plug it back up. It's literally right here. I'm finna go ahead and get that. Nah, I'm just playing this worked it. Look at this. Woo. And his way to these stars up in here. Just wait to the stars up in here. Anyways, we see that track. Woo. Anyways, y'all, I'll catch y'all. What up, YouTube? It's CM out here with the whip, man. Had to go get this 3M headliner adhesive. Had 2 bottles of this 3M headliner adhesive. Had to use it to get the headliner right here, but it looks pretty smooth right now, you know. So I use this card just to like make sure I'm like getting it good in the edges, just making sure everything pretty straight. And it looks so far so good. You know what I'm saying? This way, when it gets a little dirty, you'll see what's talking about. You know what I'm saying?
Really, nigga?
You're playing in this way. Anyways, so we got that. Go ahead and let this dry for a little bit more. I'm out here working. You see, I ain't got no shirt on. You know what I'm saying? About to get that done. Let that dry. I'm finna go chill. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the stars. It's the next day from the last video because I didn't go get that adhesive till today because I was busy yesterday. But I'm really trying to do this fast, so it's like 1 o'clock. Just got this done. Hopefully, at an hour, come back out here, start cutting, get it right, start putting my pins in. Got 1,000 stars coming. The interior finna look so crazy on the Scat, on the wide body Scat, man. Let me know if y'all want me to do anything to the 300, bro. I got some plans, but let me know if y'all want to see some specific with the 300. Might turn that like a drift car or something. That would be crazy. I really wouldn't put a Hellcat in it, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much. But you know what I'm saying? Gonna catch y'all next time I'm getting that work in with the stars. But peace. Hold on, YouTube. See him. I'm back. It's the next day, man. Got the headliner back in the car. Got the stars. You know what I'm saying? Got the hat, whatever it's called. I don't even care, bro. I'm tired. I'm ready to get this done. I ain't even do all this, like, some of the stars up there, bro. I ain't care no more, bro. I was just like, let's get it done. But, you know, I got it back in the car. Looks pretty good. I'm about to go ahead and get it in the car all the way. Get it wired up. I got my side trim pieces right here, or like the A pillar, whatever it's called. But I ran out of glue on this last little part right here, bro.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Of course, bro, it was on the very last one that I had to do. But I ain't even tripping. I ain't even go trip about it. I'll get it done when I get done, for real. I'm just ready to get this in, for real, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I got the final product and it's done. It's smooth. What's up, YouTube? See him outside with the Scat right now. Let's go ahead, throw on this taillight tint for this part right here. Now I gotta go ahead and get this dodge and stuff off, for real. I'm probably gonna I don't know if I wanna do that now. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this now. I had been finished the starlights. I've been going for like a week, so I really ain't been able to show y'all. But I mean, I forgot I ain't finished that part over there. But you know, there go the headliner in right there. Let me go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I messed up on my SRT. I'm gonna show y'all later though. But this right now, this is what it's been looking like for right now. I've been out of town. So like, I ain't even, like literally I got it in, and I literally had to leave and go to Kansas. I ain't got to like finish. Cause the other piece, the other little A column or whatever. Oh shoot, what is that? Get that, I'm gonna put everything back together. Go ahead, put these, got the tent right here. And, wait, actually, let me redo that. I'm gonna see if I can do a little transition. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, y'all. All right, y'all. Looks like the taillights got finished just like that. Ooh, okay. It looks super tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, ooh, it looked way better on camera, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Cause like in person, I mean, let me get close. You can kind of see it, but then like, bro, it folded right here a little bit. But this is my first time ever wrapping anything. Like, low key, I did I did. Hold on, let me open the trunk real quick. See, I did. I can go ahead. I got a little card. I had a little wrapping card, but I'm tripping. I'm probably just gonna cut. I'm gonna get my knife. Like, low-key, the sun is in the perfect position to like heat this up. So I don't got no heat gun. I'm gonna let it heat up for a little bit. I'm gonna come back, try to get some of these bubbles out. I'm gonna come back with my knife. I'm gonna cut that little piece off at the end. Over here might low-key be a little bit better. Low-key. This is the very first one. If you can tell, look, got some smudges up there, but that's from the heat. That was like the heat, low-key, and I was smudging it. I ain't gonna lie, it got too hot, but look pretty solid, man. So YouTube, see him in the Scat right now. I got the headliner finally together. I mean, I've been at it together. I just haven't recorded. But you know, look, the reaches okay, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying, we the whip, you see the stars though, and the Suede, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of off right here. I kind of was being lazy. I had tucked this part at first, but it ended up coming out, so it's even like that over there too, because I had tucked it, but low-key the Suede a little thick, so I gotta really figure out how to push it in, but other than that, man, we good, bro. Super green. We lit, bro. Let me turn my flashlight off. Whole time I've been recording and it wasn't even rolling. Oh, I'm dead. But you know what I'm saying? Now we really in the spaceship like speaking that. Stupid. But you know, we lit, bro. This right here, bro, it's always gonna make me laugh. Like my whole life, the rest of the time I have this car, I'm gonna keep this one for sure. Like you see the RT, but the S, bro, what was I doing?
That shit was trash, my nigga.
I'm a bot. Don't ask me to do your Starlight. If you people that be asking me to do your Starlight, but yeah, I can do it. Can I do it? If it's a Dodge Charger, I can do it for sure. Bro, the Suede was just a little different. Like I was just trying out the Suede. I never did that before, and I did it by myself. So I can't be mad. I like really when I got to this part. If you're doing your Starlight, bro, don't even rush, bro. Be patient, cause I was like, bro, let me get this done. I was like, I don't even care how many stars like on my thing. Look, I wish I had more, and I wish I knew how to get the stars to this plastic piece. Really, I didn't really do too much research about that part because with the other one, you can drill it, but if you try to drill with Suede, then it's gonna put like a big hole in your Suede. Not that big, but like it's definitely noticeable. Man. I wasn't trying to deal with that, so I just left it how it was and did it. But I'm happy. I'm way more happy. It looks so good during daytime and nighttime. You know what I'm saying? We in that thing, you know, the fast dude. We in that fast. We in that, but we in that pat, you feel me? We in that pat. Wide body, by the way. But that's it. I just want to record the outro for my video. Show y'all the Starlights. You already know how the Starlights work. You know what I'm saying? Like, you go through all the different modes. I don't even got to really talk about it because y'all definitely watched my last video, right? Not my last video. Last time I did Starlights in my last Scatpack in Sexy Red. Y'all right? I hope y'all watched that. If y'all didn't, then y'all really missing out because that... I don't know. That might have been a better video than this one. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all later. Like, subscribe, share with your mom, please. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. Thanks for watching my videos. If you watch it, I appreciate you because you know what I'm saying, you the GOAT. You don't gotta be watching my video, but you take the time out of your day, watch my video. I appreciate that. I'm hitting all these animations, so I'm gonna really just go. See y'all later.